Why does Sipsmith gin taste so outrageously good?
We have the best juniper guy in the business. I just call him Juniper. His name's Craig. His name's Craig.
Wow.
We only use gin from the heart of the batch. Get rid of the rest. What do you do with it? I don't know.
Finally, we hand dip every
Give me a decent bit to grab.
magical liquid.
On there.
Just what?
On there, I thought you were putting it.
So you see, it's
I want that bit.
gin, not compromises.
Beat it. Come on, pull.
Welcome to the online clinic built for
Newman brought back my confidence, restored my strength.
great results. None of the awkward questions.